Hi, I'm Marie and this is my new Fuchsia watercolour tutorial in my online school. Here's just a quick overview. You can come and paint the whole 2-hour tutorial if you want. The link is below if you want to find out more about that. So here I use the wet into wet method to create many layers of luminous colour and build up both my dark and light tones across each petal. And this gives each petal plenty of movement and depth by creating form across its surface. Now I've painted this flower larger than life as I like to really hone in on the beautiful details of such small subjects. The details that can be so easily missed as we pass them by, going about our busy day-to-day lives. With my painting tutorials, I like to encourage people to slow down and stop for a moment and really take notice of what's in front of them. The beautiful colours and textures found in nature that can be so easily overlooked. Here I'm building up the layers to increase the depth of colour in order to create form on my subject. So this makes for a truly three-dimensional look and results in a more realistic painting. I add in the rich colour and gently blend it out at its edges so that I create smooth transitions into the lighter areas. And I can continue building up these areas by adding paint to them for as long as I need to, until I'm happy with the depth of colour that I've reached. Creating realistic images is all about the light and dark tones on a surface. No surface is completely flat. The light hitting it will always change the hue, even if only very subtly. So while learning to paint like this, we also learn to really look, and the more we look, the better we get at seeing what's really happening on the surfaces of our subjects. And therefore, in time, we become much more proficient at varying the tonal values across our painted surface, and are able to paint the beautiful images that we aim to create. This style of painting can be very satisfying as you learn the techniques and see your results improve very quickly. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe so that you can be kept up to date with my new tips and technique videos. And if you'd like to learn to paint like this, come over to the Watercolor Members Club and take a look. The link is below. Goodbye for now, enjoy the rest of the video and have a lovely day.